जहु शुभ छायो, जहु शुभ छायो, बादल गुमड़ बढ़ आना भाई। In this crucial period of transition of the era, sound is and has been the ultimate way to heal ourselves, to heal the mental, vital and emotional body and the 5 sheaths of the body. Music is the only way and the shortest way that detaches us from the material world and elevates us towards the divine self within. Since age 3, I was devoted into the lotus feet of my Guruji, who is one of the great grand disciples of the Bharat Ratna himself, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi ji, the flag bearer of the Indian classical music. What is the special about Indian classical music? As derived from the Nada Yoga, from the Nada Vindu Upanishad, that which paints in the space is called music. And a raga in Indian classical music is called Ranjayati iti raga. Music is the way, the shortest way to balance the 7 chakras, the 7 invisible but the most vital chakras of the body. Music is the food of soul. So, how the great music saints in the age past have attained the Mahasamadhi, the complete liberation through the sadhanas, through the austerity of Nada Yoga. I will be sharing with you these technical secrets of Indian classical music and Nada Yoga in the coming days of International World Peace Yoga Festival from 21st June to 24th June. On the International Music Day on 21st June, we'll be celebrating the music within, the sound within. And I am so indebted, grateful to World Peace Yoga School and Guru Vishnuji for having me invited here to share with you the experience of the Guru Shishya Parampara of Nada Yoga and Indian classical music. We'll be discussing on the scientific secrets of Indian classical music too. So, I welcome and invite you all to join us at the worldpeaceyogafestival.com and register yourself to attain this great festival of music, dance, yoga, and ultimately we will be discussing on and we will experience the mysticism of music, the sound of silence. Mare pa ma pa ni